Hey guys, welcome back. As you can see, my hair is kind of greasy and not very voluminous, kind of looking like a mop head, and it's just all around not cute. So I'm going to show you guys how I revert back to my naturally curly hair. Alright, so let's get right into it. First, I wash my hair with Cantu Sulfate-Free shampoo and the conditioner. So once my hair is washed, I use my favorite curly hair product, the Cantu leave-in conditioner, of course, and I just distribute it throughout my hair. So then I use the DevaCurl Believe In Miracle Curl Plumper, and this really helps give me that extra volume. Lastly, I use the Cantu Curl Activator Cream to bring my curls to life. And this is the final result, guys. I hope you enjoyed my video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and comment down below if you want to see more curly hair videos.